Meaning of John Singer Sargent.
John Singer Sargent.
John Singer Sargent.
John Singer Sargent.
John Singer Sargent. John Singer Sargent was an American artist, considered one of the leading portrait painters of his generation. He was born on January 12, 1856 in Florence, Italy to American parents, and spent most of his life in Europe, working primarily in London. Sargent gained international acclaim for his portraits of society figures, including politicians, artists, and royalty. He also painted landscapes and murals, and was known for his skillful use of light and color. Sargent's works continue to be admired for their beauty and technical mastery.